Alright, today we're going to paint a Molotov cocktail. Alright, the question today is, when were Molotov cocktails first used inside the US? Alright, let's run through the colors. Mars Black, Titanium White, Quinn Red, Pearly Red, Van Dyke Brown, Burnt Sienna, Phthalo Green, Quinn Blue, Phthalo Blue, Primer Yellow. Alright, today we're going to do a painting of a Molotov cocktail.
Trying to put the face to the name. Pull up and I'm swerving. If a try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under rugs like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Rapping like I'm turban. Yeah, these all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they want me to quit. Yeah, they want me to shift. But as long as I'm alive, we gon' keep on making hits. While they steady shooting bricks, man, it's lit. Yeah, it's lit.
Alright, for this layer, we kind of lit a nice chocolatey brown in the background. I've got a nice warm yellow. I've got a yellow with a little bit of, I like the sienna or whatever color I'm using for light brown. We got a nice kind of neutral blue in the middle, got a darker blue for the lettering in the outside of the jar, and we'll wait for this to dry. The top layer is probably going to take a couple layers. It's kind of a watery mess, so we'll see. I kind of like that look, but I'll probably add more color to this, maybe add a little lighter, darker. We'll see on the next layer.
Heard you walking up, it's the wrong tree, I got the strings, yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained, now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. I'm in flex mode with the best, though. That's a major key, that's a chess move. I'm your favorite G, I think it's best, yo. Stop with all the grilling, I'm on jet fuel. Taking off, clear the runway, now they cannot clip my wings. Yeah, they soft, they ain't homie, they ain't even on the scene. Play it smart, they don't know me, they just know what they.
So in 1992, Rodney King was severely beaten by LAPD on film, and later that film went out. The riots didn't start right away. What they did is people started protesting, but they went to court, and during that court case, Rodney King was not punished, and all of the officers were considered not guilty, and so everyone just kind of broke out in madness, obviously with the anger of this unjust ruling by the court. And so some of the looting, what they did is they used Molotov cocktails to kind of set a fire to either burn a building that wasn't black owned, or to kind of set as a distraction so they could loot. So it was used in two different ways during the LA riots, and that's the history. First case of Molotov cocktails in the US. All right, I just got totally cooked. Let's go check out the painting. All right, so I got this kind of nice brown color at the top with that nice kind of corkscrew silver top on the top of the bomb. I've taken out the lettering. I really didn't like it in the end. It kind of made it too commonplace. It just felt like it was a jar of preserves or a jar of canned peaches, and I really wanted it to be like an unknown element, to be like, this isn't, I didn't want it to be like kind of unknown, what was it? So by taking out that lettering, it takes away that kind of preserves, food preservatives, and then you see like, why is this blue liquid? You don't really know. Why is the straw not go all the way through? So it gives a little bit more mystery, and then you figure out, maybe it's something else besides preserves in a jar. So that's the whole point of doing it that way. It gives a little more mystery. I just like that feel to it. Hopefully you guys like it. I like it. If you'd like to see the full version, check my Patreon account. If you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll check you in the next painting video. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they want me to quit. Yeah, they want. Always gonna be reaching for they hit, smoking like a clip. They can never catch me slipping. Every time your girl around, she be watching.